Welcome once again, and let's talk about Shibadoge token listing. Recently, Bitmart exchange have just listed Shibadoge token. Right now, you can buy Shibadoge on Bitmart exchange. And one important thing is that apart from the 6 exchanges that have listed Shibadoge, Bitmart is one of the top exchanges that are actually controlling the volume of Shibadoge right now. Remember, BKX have been supporting their #1 exchange that are controlling Shibadoge volume more than other exchanges. Now we have Bitmart, now we have Hotbit, IndoEX, Uniswap V2 and Uniswap V3, and we are hoping before this year runs out for Get.io, for L-Bank, and then other top crypto exchanges to list Shibadoge, even Crypto.com. These 3 I just mentioned right now: Crypto.com, Get.io, and L-Bank. These are the 3 Shibadoge actually listed on their website, on their roadmap, that they are actually working to get Shibadoge to be listed by these exchanges, and I hope to see that actually happen very soon. But we are happy to see Bitmart coming in to support to list Shibadoge token, because this will actually help and influence other exchanges to consider listing Shibadoge token, especially now that you can see a rise on the market cap of Shibadoge. And I hope that exchanges will start coming in, will start supporting Shibadoge. We hope Shibadoge community will keep supporting this coin. I'm hoping before the end of the year, Shibadoge will end the year hitting over 500 to 1,000 or even 10,000%. But so many crypto predictions are actually saying Shibadoge can hit over 100 or 1 million%. Yes, it is true, but it all depends mostly on the developers, how they will go about it. It all depends on Bitcoin. If BTC can hit a massive increase in price this year, we'll be seeing other coins gaining a lot of this year. Let's keep hoping for the best. Let's hope other exchanges to come in. I'm happy to see Bitmart now join the Shibadoge community. Let's keep hoping to see more exchanges coming. Remember, this is not a financial advice, so please can do your own research before taking any decision.